The story of the people of the cave in the verse of the Quran refers to many scientific facts. We discussed some part of these scientific facts in our other videos. In this video, we are going to examine the indication of this story from the importance of moving in sleep. The following is stated in the 18th verse of the chapter of Al-Kahf in the Quran. Thou wouldst have deemed them awake whilst they were asleep, and we turned them on their right and their left sides. This verse of the Quran mentions about the people of the cave who remained asleep for about 3 centuries, and it is also stated that Almighty Allah moved their bodies on their right and left sides. What is the importance of the expression moving them on right and left? Why is this detail mentioned in the verse? Surely there must be an importance of this expression, since it is included in the Quran, as there is no unimportant thing within it. So, what wisdom does turning on right and left sides in sleep have? The wisdom of turning on the right and left sides was only discovered in recent times. People who remain lying down in the same position for a long period of time encounter serious health problems, such as circulation difficulty, sores, and blood clotting in the part of the body in contact with the surface on which they lie. The bed sores which occur as a result of lying down in the same position for a long period of time are called pressure sores. For when a person lies down in the same position for a long time, the constant pressure on one part of the body may cause the compression and occlusion of blood vessels. Consequently, the oxygen and other nutrients carried by the blood fail to reach the skin, and the skin begins to die. This results in the occurrence of sores on the body. Unless these sores are treated, layers of the skin, fat, and muscle tissues may also die. They may even lead to a life-threatening situation. Thus, changing the position of the body for every 15 minutes is the healthiest thing to do in order to reduce this pressure. That is why patients with paralysis receive special care and are moved every 2 hours with the help of other people. It is obvious that the expression of the verse, "We turned them on their right and their left sides," will be better understood after the explanations of scientists. Yes, this expression indicates a scientific fact, which can only be discovered in our age. So, the Quran is such a book that there are many purposes in every word of it, and many wisdoms in every verse. Any scientist can find many issues belonging to his field from the Quran and take lessons from it. Doubtlessly, a book which contains summaries of all sciences cannot be the word of a person who does not know how to read or write and who lived 1400 years ago. This book can only be the word of a being who created all realms and whose knowledge encompasses everything. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the apostle and messenger of that being.